guys, so ayun nga, we decided to check out this cafe, Almay Cafe. It has a jungle theme inside or decoration. So once we enter, you will see it in the middle of the cafe. There is a jungle, very colorful jungle in the middle of the cafe. So yan, medyo dark. It's really dark inside, but it makes good ambience kasi they put lights that makes the jungle theme really nice. So as you can see there, may water, may parang river in the middle, and then yeah, it's tall, it's 2 floors tall. So makikita mo yung design nila hanggang taas. Even in the ceiling there is clouds or plants as well. So very cozy lang yung vibe niya dyan. Pero it's really dark inside, but it's okay because the lights and the design of the jungle is very pleasing din. Napakaganda rin niya. So as you can see there, we're checking it out. This is in the ground floor. So and may po water effect pa dyan. But you're not allowed to go in that part. So you're just gonna have to sit on the side. So this is in the second floor where we are seated. Yeah, it's dark. So that's the only thing. You cannot properly take pictures because it's dark. But as you can see rin, the lightings are nice. The colorful lightings. So yan, may pa-clouds dyan in the ceiling. And then you can see naman the tables and the chairs are beside the decorations. So may pa glass flooring pa doon. So ayan. You can see we have pictures taken. Very nice siya as backdrop. But it's really dark, so it's really hard to take pictures as well. Additionally lang, we are advised to leave because they said there is a time dun sa table. So yun lang yung negative thing doon, at saka very limited yung menu nila. So yun, and aside from that, the pastries are really expensive. So yeah. So after we take the final picture in Almay Cafe, we went to this Sally Cafe, which is Princess Sarah theme na cafe. So we need to check this out also. So dahil nga pinaalis kami doon agad.
Hi vlog!
So upon entering, makikita mo na to parang Christmas tree and dresser na to. Makikita mo dyan sa showcase na yan, yung mga dolls. Parang may pa Annabelle effect dyan. Pero diba si Princess Sarah, mahilig siya sa dolls. So that's why. So ayan kami. Pagpasok mo rin doon, may mga upuan na may mga couches. So maliit lang siya. Hindi naman siya ganong kalakihan. Kita mo na agad yung dudo ng cafe. Pero very cozy din yung vibe niya. Mas bet namin to kasi mas maliwanag kanina. Napakadilim nung ano. So I don't know whose picture is this. Pero si Princess Sarah ata yan. So from the cartoons, you can see this is the picture of Princess Sarah. Yung kilala nating Princess Sarah. Pero sa kanila international name, it's Sally. So yan, may parang pa-bedroom dyan. Yan daw yung bedroom ni Princess Sarah. So yeah, Sarah as in Sally in international. So kaya Sally Cafe. So yan, may mga para kasi rin siyang museum. So ang pangalan niya talaga is Sally Cafe and Museum. So yan yung mga merchandise nila, pwede mong bilihin. Then they have this little cute mga miniatures, porcelain saucers and cups. So cute. So yan kami. Nakaupo na kami dyan. Nag-aantay na lang kami ng order. And then, yan na yung kabuuan nung cafe. And then, may mga other customers din sa other side. So, as you can see din, ayan, may mga unique designs sila. Like this wallpaper. Each picture has different icons, different designs. So, maliliit siya. Pero pag tinignan mo sa ayun nga, nag-picture na lang din kami dito. And then, yan, makikita mo na. So, as you can see, mas nag-enjoy kami dito kasi mas nicer yung staff, mas accommodating, mas chill, kasi maliwanag yung room. So, yan. maganda siya. And then, yan, yung drinks namin, color pink yung drink na order ko. And then, yan, makita mo naman yung background, very nice. Yung unusual cafe style talaga siya. So, yan, may mga lovers. So, may mga pictures per family, yung mga kasama naming friends. So, that's us. And then, yeah, so, we like the ambience of this cafe more rather dun sa nauna namin pinuntahan. So, bukod sa napakadilim dun, yun pa, nagmamadali sila, pinapaalis agad nila kami. Dito, no, it's very chill lang. Ganda lang ng vibe. Reasonable din naman yung prices ng coffee nila. So, ayan. So, yun yung naging journey namin dito sa coffee shop hopping namin.